Today, Rich Packing brings you a new A-line counting bottling machine. It can count capsule, tablet, gummy in two kinds of bottles. A step vibrating channel makes materials separated fully. No overlap. New design back push structure. And pneumatic filling, counting no blocking. 30% increase in output. Makes output 55 bottles per minute. We are the leading manufacturer in China. Supplies to Fortune 500 companies. Provide customers with more than 5,100 successful solutions. Tablet capsule counting bottling. Contact Rich Packing.